Great. So, as you know, Davici Resolve 21 has just come out, which is exciting as they've got some neat new photo editing apps that's built into it. So I thought I'd give you a bit of a rundown today on how to actually set that up on the iPad app. As you can see, if you go into Davici Resolve app on the iPad, it just comes in as a video. And so you can play it, press stop, but it's actually not the same editing app that's on the desktop version. So how do you actually get into that to expand these options down the bottom? You do need a keyboard and connect that in. So I've got one here, just a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. I can connect it straight to my iPad and start using it this way. So what you want to do, press Options Command K, and that brings up a window here in the search column. You want to type in show page, and you can see there is a show page option. Expand that, and down the bottom you have photo. There is a little box just to the right there, as you can see, and you want to put in a hotkey there that's not being used, something to do with pictures. So you might go Control P in the little box, save photos. And then back to your main screen, click Control P, and you can see photo is now enabled. Now what we can do is drop your photo in, and now you're actually in the photo editing part in the iPad. Once you're in, you can start editing your photos. You can crop, you can edit. It doesn't destroy your image, or it doesn't compress it, and you've got full control over it. So that's really cool, and I just thought that was a really neat one. I hope that was helpful for you. Hopefully that gets you started and we have a play with this new integration into Davici Resolve for the iPad. Cheers.